So I just thought I would share a really cool story. Lost this guy this past Saturday in the surf. I was surfing at Mhlanga Durban View. I caught a wave and it basically came off my head. I had it attached just on a basic head strap and came clean off. My GoPro is a piece of gear that I use in my profession as a videographer and as a photographer. So I was incredibly grateful to have this piece of gear returned to me. Once it had fallen off, I wasn't able to retrieve it, unfortunately. I did try for 2 hours diving. My mate Josh was kind enough to loan me his diving gear. For 2 hours I searched to no avail, and so I went back that evening. I searched again just on the shoreline. I happened to see a swimmer who was just doing lengths. Her name's Linda, and I told her the story and I asked if she had found it, if she could please hand it in at Daily Dose coffee shop. And didn't really think too much more of it. Fast forward to Sunday afternoon, I received a WhatsApp from a lady named Tanya saying that she had found something in the surf that might be mine. So just a very cool story, very wild. Basically her son and her had been walking that morning on the beach. He had found it in the shore break. They went to Daily Dose, got my contact number, and I was able to receive it from them on Sunday evening, which was last night.
It was in the surf, like it was, I would say about half a meter into the surf, rolling around the waves.
The really cool part of the story is that I just had this real peace the whole time when I was diving, and even that evening I hadn't quite written it off, but I also wasn't too fazed about it. And I really felt, for me as a Christian, that was a God thing, because I kept thinking to myself, I should be worried, I should be really stressed about this thing. But I just had this unusual peace. It's so important to come against the negativity that obviously the news thrives on, and we need to share our stories of humanity, of life, and just of all the good that actually is already happening. It's just not being exposed.
Damn.
You're recording?
1%.